All right, guys, if we make this island 87 long, trash, so this cabinet's 24, your dishwasher opening's 24, and then there's an 1.5-inch panel on the right side. The right side of that's a shaker panel. But we're 87. The sink is centered because there's a panel or a filler in between the, let's see here, right here. So I've pulled this forward compared to, you can see the front of the island is just behind the corner of the post here. So we pulled it forward quite a bit. Sink is centered on this wall. We have 37 walkway between here. It's a little tight, but it'll work. From the countertop to this post is 32, which is pretty tight. So I'm recommending this cabinet drop down to an 18, so that I'll pick up another 6 inches. That's this cabinet here. This is still the microwave cabinet, and we can take a cabinet and have it would face this way. There'd just be a shaker panel on the back of the microwave cabinet, and then shaker paneling all along the back, which would just encompass this column here. So there'd be a shaker panel here on the back. Your countertop would just die into the side of this. It wouldn't go around. Here the countertop would go all the way around. Microwave, sink. The shaker paneling that would actually extend to here.